Thank you for choosing MOTO4FREE. This electric motorbike is easy to use. Let's walk you through it. Unlocking and starting. Use the standard key to unlock the steering. Insert the key, push in and turn right. The monitor shows your current battery charge. This one shows 100%, fully charged. P indicates park mode, no power. To activate power, put up the kickstand, hold the rear brake, then press the P button briefly. Remember, this is a powerful bike. Go slow on the accelerator. Speed modes and lights. There are 2 speed modes, Eco, slower, and Sport, faster. Select with the switch. The light switch has 3 positions, off, dim, light is on but not as bright, and full, with high beam option. Use the left switch for high and low beam settings. The turn signals are on the handlebars, left and right. Remember to turn them off after you turn. Use the horn as needed. Parking and security. To park, put down the kickstand, bike goes into park mode. Alternatively, hold the left brake and press the P button. You can open the seat by turning the key counterclockwise. Store helmets here or use the side hook. If you leave your helmet unsecured, it will likely be stolen. There are many thieves in the city, so please keep your belongings secure at all times. They also steal motorbikes, so read to park in a secure parking area whenever you can. When you park in an insecure area and there are no guards watching your motorbike, please lock the handlebar and use the security lock we provide. We provide a disc brake lock for added security. Please use it in unsecured areas, when there are no guards watching your motorbike. Slide it over the disc and press to lock. It includes a sonic alarm and goes off if someone tries to move the motorbike. Unlock it with the small key. To lock the steering, turn the handlebars left, insert key, push in, and turn left, counterclockwise. For extra security, press the black button on the left to close the keyhole. Open with the plastic key side. Use the phone holder with caution. Tighten it to prevent falls or theft. Brakes. The right brake controls the front wheel, the left brake controls the rear. Avoid using only the front brake, especially when turning. Please let us know if you have any questions. Here's your electric motorbike. Thank you for choosing MOTO4FREE. Enjoy your ride.